In this video, we are going to use the distributive property to solve an equation. We have 4 parentheses 8 minus c equals 8c plus 16 minus 6c. First, we see this parentheses here, so we have to distribute this 4 to the 8 and the minus c. All right, because we can't combine these terms inside the parentheses because they are not alike. We have a constant and c. So we're going to distribute 4 times 8 is 32 minus 4 times c is 4c. So it's 32 minus 4c equals 8c plus 16 minus 6c. Okay. Now, over on this side, we can see that we can combine like terms. We can't combine any more like terms. There's no more like terms on this side. We have a constant and a term with a 4c. Over here, we have a couple terms with c's. So, I'm going to combine this term. Looks a lot like this term. They both have c's in them. All right, I'm going to keep the sign in front of the number, and I'm going to do 8c minus 6c is 2c. Okay, so let me recopy. I have 32 minus 4c equals 16 plus, and then we're going to combine 8c minus 6c is 2c. Okay, now we have a two-step equation with variables on both sides. I'm going to bring the variables over on this side of the equation, so to cancel it out and bring it over, I have a positive 2c, so I'm going to subtract 2c from both sides. All right, it cancels out over here. And now I have a negative 4c minus 2c is a negative 6c. Bring down my 32. And over on this side, we just have 16 left. Okay, now we have all the variables on one side of the equation. And I need to get rid of this constant right here. Well, it's technically a positive 32, so to get rid of it, I'm going to subtract 32 from both sides. And I'm left with, over here, negative 6c equals, I have 16 minus 32 is a negative 16. Now I'm down to a one-step equation. To get rid of that negative 6 and get c by itself, well, it's negative 6 times c. So I'm going to do the inverse operation, and it's going to be divided by 6. Divide both sides by 6, and you're left with c equals negative 16 over negative 6, which can be divided by 2 on the top and the bottom to get, well, we have 2 negatives, which is a positive, so you have positive 8 over 3 equals c.